So, hi guys, we are back for day, what is this supposed to be? This is supposed to be day 6? Yes, day 6 of Vlogmas, I think. Yeah, so we're back for day 6 of Vlogmas, and what we're going to do today is make a Hershey's Easy Build Chocolate Cookie Train.
I think it's going to be small since there's a lot of pieces.
There are a lot of pieces, but I think we get to set it up on a tray or something. So, because we get to set it up on a tray...
But the tray is super small, so I think it's going to be...
We'll see. We'll see what's inside.
We're going to see.
So, if you caught our other video, then you saw we were decorating cookies, which we also got from...
Rite Aid?
Yeah, we got it from Rite Aid. So, now we are going to decorate these.
This is how small it is. Not that small.
So they're small pieces, but we got to build.
Smell it.
It's a chocolate treat.
We both love chocolate, so
yes.
this is going to be amazing.
Massage for a minute.
Oh, and there's like different squares. So where you put the caboose, the engineer, and the middle.
Yes. All right. Well, are you ready to get started, guys? All right. So if you want, you can start opening.
You broke it?
Nope. It's just the air. So it comes with Easy Build, squeezable icing. It's not glue.
It looks like glue.
I know it does. It glues the pieces together in an edible way. So let me help you open this.
Let me help you open this.
All right. So, okay.
Careful not to break it.
I know, I'm trying to be very careful, but wow, this plastic is hard. All right, there we go.
Okay, there we go.
All right, so we are going to get started. All right, how does it say we should start? So first, our table has plastic on it. So there we go. We can decorate some cookies. All right. So first, oh no, it broke. Oh, it's supposed to. It's fine.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh yeah. We kind of gotta take the pieces apart. Except
this might be the middle. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. All right. So I have to break them really slowly. These break apart so easy. Okay. So
as soon as you touch it.
So, yeah, we're breaking apart pieces, and then we get to decorate them.
This smells so good. I want to just eat.
We won't torture you guys with the step-by-step process like we did with the cookies, but we will show you some insert snippets and some the final results. Yes. All right, so that is what we're going to do right now. And it also comes with Hershey Kisses. You can't have a Hershey train without kisses. It comes with these delicious Jolly Rancher Twosome candies.
Those are
Jolly Ranchers, yes. Hershey's chocolate bars. And it comes with these Holly leaves and berries sprinkled. I don't know what wrinkle dingles are, but I guess those are it. So, guys, we are going to decorate, and we will be right. All right. So, first things first, we actually don't decorate these first. We got to put them together. So, what we're going to do, we need to put the front part of the train together first, which are these pieces right here.
This?
Yep. So, we're gonna put some frosting in the middle.
On the circle.
No, it's breaking on the sides. That's the only thing I don't like about these easy builds. They break, and then we end up having to use our hands. But whatever.
It's still worth it.
It still works. Give me another one of these.
How many do you need? 4?
Is it 4? I I think it is 4. Yeah, 4.
There is one.
Yeah, so that, girl, why'd you ask? All right. Well, since it's broken, I guess we'll be doing it with our hands. Come on.
Oh my.
That's why you always gotta make sure. Wash your hands.
Wash.
All right. So we got the front part right here. Let's take this.
So we
Let's
don't
have this
get
close
messy.
by. And let's put these in the front.
Wait, there's 5.
Oh, wait, no, there's more. We gotta lay down the front. So, this is the front part of the train, too.
And this also, I think.
Do we need 5? Let's see.
What?
They are 5, but I don't think they use... Nope, they use 4. Because I think that goes on another side. So, they definitely did not tell us how it's supposed to be. So, we're just gonna...
But the
wing
cool
it.
thing is that they're separate, so they don't have any lines, so I could
You
stick.
can pretty much do it however you want. Look, oh my gosh.
You're telling me. Oh wait, you just told me.
I did. Oops. I put too much too because I forgot that we weren't putting another one. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Oh my god.
This is gonna look crazy, but hey. At least it's only for us. Okay, so this one goes here. There we go. It's all right. It'll look like there's snow around it.
True. Smart.
Okay. I have a weird kid, guys. All right, so we have this, and now we have... It really did not come with instructions. This is awful, guys. Awful. All right, now we got to figure out how these other pieces go. So, I'm guessing this is one side.
Can you look at the back? Because it shows you.
No, the back actually, it doesn't have real steps. So, it goes like this, and then it has, like, I guess these pieces. So, what's going on?
Ooh, this is confusing.
Yeah, I don't like the way this is turning out. We will be right back. All right, so we have built the front engine part of the train. And now we are going to build some of the
That's the
wagons.
engineer.
The engineer goes in here.
So what's the middle called? The middle?
We're going to call it the middle.
And then we have the
Ooh,
caboose.
we forgot the wheels. Oops. So we had to actually put the icing in the microwave, but because it has a hole as well, we're like improvising. So it has a hole. This one, I'm gonna put it right here. There's the wheel. Wait, we'll put the wheel on the other side too.
Oh, the broken part spills a lot.
Yeah.
Like way too much.
And then we're gonna put that one there. So now we got 2 wheels. There they are. Alright, so now, you alright? You look tired. You should definitely go to sleep.
I'm not tired.
But you're going to sleep.
Oh.
Alright, so let's take these. Now we have to build these. Oh my gosh.
I like the dust.
I wonder. I feel like there's parts that... Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, well. There's some... We may have done the train a little wrong. But at this point, I think we're just going to decorate it however we want. So, we will use the pieces we have left. And we'll be back and show you our... So, guys, this is what we've made so far. Here it is. So, there's the front car. There it is. That's the front car. The front train, sorry. Then here's the caboose. And here's the middle wagon right there. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to decorate it with candy. All right. You want to decorate with candy? Uh-oh, this one's coming off. This one's hard.
No.
That one doesn't really want to stay, but it better. So, now we get to open up the candy. And we get to decorate it. So which one are you going to decorate?
I want to decorate these two.
Which one? Okay.
The middle and...
It's okay. We don't need the box.
The middle.
Just gotta be very careful.
The middle and the front.
Oh. Oops. My bad.
Can we taste them?
You can taste them. Oh, good.
Wow.
It's sour.
Mm.
Okay. It's good though.
It's not that sour.
It isn't that sour afterwards. So, look, you see how it's coming? You might have to use your fingers. This will get messy.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.